Crypto.com just got a major big new update, and this could change how we view the Crypto.com platform. Not only Crypto.com, but also the Cronos blockchain. With these new updates, it's going to make it even faster and cheaper to do transactions on Cronos. And today, man, we're going to talk about it and get into it. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, turn on those notifications right now to get all updates on Crocoin and the Cronos blockchain and the Crypto.com platform as an exchange. Now, enough of that. Let's get straight into it, man. Let's talk about it. Where we at with price today on Cro? So, man, we can see Cro is currently at 19 cents, up 5% on the day, man. So today is a green day. We have bounced back from those previous lows a couple of days ago. We saw that the market was taking a slight downtrend because we was going up only for a whole month. You know, ever since the election, it's been up only. We've been in the green. So I was looking for some retracements. I don't think we truly see a bigger jump maybe into March or May. I think that's the next leg up, in my personal opinion. If we look at previous cycles, that's what usually tends to happen in March. March through May are usually good months. Summer is usually kind of sideways. Some projects do what they do, and then we don't top out until November of that year or the next year after the election. So we still got some time to dollar cost average. A lot of people been asking me, Tro, is it too late? And I tell them right now it's probably one of the best times to really get in, for the simple fact that everything is kind of going up. Now we are a ways from the local bottoms. That would have been a perfect time to buy, but I don't think we see too much further downtrend from here. Now, I'm not saying it's not possible. We possibly could see some downtrends coming soon, just because it's a local correction. I think the correction will happen a little bit, but I don't think it won't, or we won't see a Cro under 10 cents again. I don't think 10-cent Cro is going to be reachable again. Maybe next cycle, probably not even next cycle. I think 10-cent Cro is long and gone, in my personal opinion. Now, the community sentiment is 90% positive, 90% bullish, 10% bearish. So people are bullish on Cro going into 2025. And I always said, man, 2025 is going to be a good year for Crypto.com and the Cronos blockchain. A lot of things going on. A lot of infrastructure is being built. And Crypto.com, we know with their new roadmap, they're trying to become an overall financial institution, not just on the crypto side of things, but also on the stock side of things, just being a banking app as well, and much, much more. So a lot of things coming in the pipeline for Cronos. Right now, the market cap is at $5 billion, and that's ranked 33 out of all the cryptocurrencies. And I still do believe Crypto.com has the possibility to become a top 25 project in this bull market. I do think a top 25 project for Cro is set in stone. Now, the volume is at 106 million. That's up 61%. So volume has absolutely been pumping, and we love to see that for the volume. Now, you know me, I always say, guys, zoom out. I like to look at the market cap, and we can see once upon a time in 2021, the market cap for Cronos was at $22 billion. And that's why I think we are still so far away from, you know, the all-time highs for the entire crypto space, because even though we have passed the previous market cap, the previous all-time high overall market cap for the crypto space, right now I think we like at 3.5 trillion. The previous market all-time high was like at 2.85 trillion. I do believe a lot of the projects that we saw last cycle have yet to run. They're starting to run. We saw HRP, or XRP rather. We saw HBAR. A lot of those projects they call boomer coins are starting to boom, and I think Cronos kind of falls in that category as well. I wouldn't necessarily call it a boomer coin, but at the same time, it has been around multiple cycles. And right now, the narrative for the crypto space is meme coins. So a lot of these coins are starting to pump really late. And I think Cronos is one of those coins that has yet to pump, but I do think a pump is coming. I do think we can get back to previous all-time highs and really go further than previous all-time highs, because we know now it's a burn for Cro. We've been burning like crazy. Even more Crow being burnt in the future. They have put something in their roadmap just saying how they plan on doing even more Crow burns. So I do think when retail, the everyday person who really isn't into investing but has heard about crypto through the grapevine, when they come back into the crypto space, I think that's when a lot of these projects will absolutely appreciate. Like I said, we only at $5 billion market cap. The previous all-time high was 22 billion. So we still far away from the all-time high, but I think we can easily pass that once we, get into that full-on bull market, and once people realize where to go to, or one of the best places to go to buy cryptocurrency. Now let's get into some of the good stuff, man. Some of the good news today, we can see UAE users can now buy crypto with AED. Here's what you need to know about the AED fiat wallet: easy setup, zero deposit fees from crypto.com, and fast and simple transfers. So set up your AED fiat wallet right now. And this is just really expanding, man. I like to see crypto.com expand to the different jurisdictions so everybody can be able to use the platform. And I think, this is going to really set itself apart from other crypto exchanges, because a lot of crypto exchanges cannot do business in all of these places around the world. So with crypto.com continuously building on this, continuously open up the fiat wallet to different fiat currencies around the world, this is going to make crypto.com platform even bigger and make or allow other more users around the world to be able to do transactions with fiat on the crypto.com platform. Now, this is what I was talking about, man. This major new update. So Cronos EVM, the upgrade in progress. Expect a short intermission of 60 minutes. Grab a coffee, and Cronos EVM services will be back faster than ever. So they announced this on November 29th. We can see a leap to 600x faster transaction processing capacity. This breakthrough performance improvements to Cronos EVM. The proposal is open for community discussion on the governance forum. So this is going to absolutely make the EVM layer 2 solution for Cronos move faster, faster transactions. And they also are talking about bringing the transaction fees down as well. So that's going to make it cheaper and faster to do transactions on Cronos, making it one of the go-to blockchains in this upcoming bull market. Now, shout out to Coin Baron. Cronos' biggest update yet is bringing parallel transactions, optimistic execution, and reduced network overhead. So could this make Cronos the fastest blockchain? And it possibly could make Cronos the fastest blockchain. And if that happens, I do believe we will start to see more people come onto the blockchain. Like I said, right now, Cronos is one of those sleeper coins. Right now, we got Ethereum, we got Solana, we got other blockchains that are absolutely doing numbers as far as volumes. But Cronos, last bull market, we saw that Crow was one of the last coins to really pop off, and I think that could possibly be another go round this time. I think that Crow could be one of the last projects to really show appreciation, because it is an exchange coin. And I think, once people start onboarding more into the crypto space going into 2025, we'll start to see Crow really do its big number and really start to appreciate. Now, Pioneer Rewards program dropping soon, man. Starting December 18th, the Pioneer Rewards are yours to claim. So you can claim Wrap Crow, H2, Amplify, Full, and VUSD. Rewards can be claimed right away. Collect your rewards within 90 days. Stay tuned on how to collect your rewards. So you participated in the Pioneer program. Like I said, I was talking about this months ago. When the ZK EVM layer 2 solution first dropped, and now we starting to see, you're getting these free airdrops, these free rewards just by participating in a layer 2 solution. Now, man, to some of the best things I like to see: $114 billion traded in the first 10 days of December. Crypto.com is now reaching peak 2021 volumes in a fraction of the time. So the daily average for the third month, or for the first third of the month, is $11.45 billion, with a forecast of over $350 billion total spot volume for the whole month. So this is very big, not only just for crypto.com, but for the entire crypto space, because we see we haven't even reached the peak of the bull market, and crypto.com is already breaking records from the previous 2021 all-time highs. And 2021 was, that year after the election where everything started peaking. So we already then reach that number, and we haven't even reached 2025 yet, where I expect the bull market to really, or the crypto space to top out in that year. So we are doing some very big things, and that's why I'm still super bullish on crypto.com, because I know you're like, Tro, what does this have to do with Crow? Well, all the incentives that crypto.com gives the users to pretty much hold Crow. The utility that Crow has on the crypto.com platform is unmatched compared to other exchange coins. We know about Binance. Now, I'm not too familiar with Binance. I know I couldn't use Binance where I'm located, so I really can't speak too much in depth on it. But I know that crypto.com offers so many trading rebates for holding Crow, so many referral. You can up your referral limits for holding Crow. So a lot of bullish narratives or a lot of bullish incentives to hold Crow. And I do believe this will help or incentivize people to buy Crow once we hit that full on bull market and they realize the power that hold Crows on the crypto.com platform. Now, we see CoinGecko tweeted this 2 days ago. We can see with the SEX, which SEX is the largest in 2024. We see Binance is leading with 39%, but coming in at number 2 is, guess what? That's right, crypto.com with 11.4%. So crypto.com is moving up those ranks as far as the market share comes in centralized exchange. And we can see crypto or Binance remain the largest holding, claiming a volume of $979 billion. So almost $1 trillion have been traded in November, a gain of 130%. So like I said, you see these volumes actually going up, and that's very bullish for the entire crypto space. But then we see the second largest SEX is crypto.com, which recorded an 11.4% market share and a spot trading volume of 286 billion with a 91% rise from 149 billion in October. It has managed to leapfrog its competition since September. And in 2024, its market share stood in the average to 2 to 4% range. So this is very big, man. We see crypto.com absolutely taking over the market share with everything that they're accomplishing as far as getting the licenses around the world, introducing or being able to use different fiat currencies right in the crypto.com wallet or crypto.com platform, and much, much more, man. So we are literally taking over the competition, growing so fast. And if you don't see it, you are literally blinding yourself, man. You in a crazy echo chamber, because we are seeing these are real-time factual stats. These not opinions, man. These are facts that, we see that crypto.com is slowly taking over the market share for the centralized exchanges. Now, it will be, hard to really overcome Binance, really taking over Binance. But I do think two platforms can work together. I do think that it can be multiple platforms that trade billions of dollars, and it's already doing it. And as more people come into the crypto space, I do think that crypto.com will take even more market share from Binance. Now, last but not least, some of the biggest news, man. Like I said, crypto.com is acquiring all they need to do to really operate around the world. So they just partnered with the bank to expand corporate banking support across Singapore, Australia, and Hong Kong. So this is a major accomplishment for crypto.com. A lot of the exchanges, I keep saying this because this is so true. A lot of these exchanges are not doing what crypto.com is doing in this moment in the market, and they really doing it in the perfect time, for the simple fact that we have yet to see the full-on bull market coming in 2025. So they're really just preparing themselves. It's like a slingshot, man. We just keep pulling back, and we know once we hit that full-on bull market, Crow is going to explode because of everything they have been building in 2024. Nah, not just 2024, going back in from the end of the last bull market into now, into going into this full-on bull market. Crow and Crypto.com has been building like crazy, and we are going to reap the rewards once we, get into 2025. So Crypto Tro, this is my video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, turn on those notifications. And if I added value to you today, don't forget, support the channel by leaving a super thanks, man. We going up. We at 6.7K subscribers, man. We almost at 7K. So if you haven't already, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this content with anybody you know who is interested in the crypto space, more specifically Crypto.com and Crow, because I will continue to provide this valuable information each and every chance I get. So Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.